We are hiking up the Sandia today. Wander and Wonder, and welcome to the Sandia Mountain Range. Today we are on the Balsam Ridge, I believe it's called, overlook, and I think the trail is about 1/3 of a mile if you stay on the trail itself. We've done about a mile because we went off the trail and explored, but very beautiful out here. It's a bit cool for this time of year, and there's a lot of wind, as you can probably hear through the microphone, but it was well worth the trip up here. I highly recommend you check it out next time you're in Albuquerque. And let's go check out some more. This is it. That's the money shot right there. Some root and down there. We're not even at the top.